Episode Dos.
I know Spanish. That's right. Suck it.
It only had one
Yum.
piece of bacon on it.
I know, but it was good.
We decided to go for a walk.
So we walked up to the Sunoco station.
I threw half of the watermelon onto fish.
Okay.
So we walked down to the boat launch.
We were at the boat launch, right? And we're sitting there.
Yeah, we're sitting there.
And okay, no. It was nice. It was sunny.
It was sunny.
And we were sitting on the dock. We were just like talking about stuff. And then it just gets dark.
It gets like super dark. So we called her dad, and he was like, "Yeah, I don't think there's a tornado or anything." So we walk back along the train tracks.
We're just like to be sure.
And it started like sprinkling.
Yeah, like we were walking like on the road, and then we were on the path, and then it was like, oh fuck, it's raining.
Then it started hailing.
And like snowing.
And then it started snowing. As soon as we get to the top of the hill, it like stops basically.
Almost yeah. Huh, your mom. It's Katie's mom's birthday today! Oh, happy birthday, Kathy. There's a picture of bunny ninjas at our school in the Commons, and they're purple. We need to do for X again. Or you can just do crunches like last time.
Nice was that?
Yeah, that was really pleasant. Actually, no, I'm kidding. I could have died. I'm serious. I could have died. That would have been really bad. You would have never met me.
You sent me a text that didn't make any sense.
It's in Spanish. Of course it makes sense.
Oh, it's Spanish. Okay. I don't read Spanish.
Okay. Well, could you get one blue monster and one green monster?
Where do you get them?
You could get one at Sunoco.
Kroger's.
Or Kroger's.
Okay.
Or anywhere that sells beverages.
Okay. I'll check it out and call you in a while. Okay.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Farewell.
No,
Boys are stupid. Should really answer texts.
She's dying from rabies over here. So I don't know how to deal with this. Dude, what are you doing? I don't even know what you're laughing about.
Like, no. Because. Who texted me? Who texted me? Who texted me? Is that one person? Oh, no. Because he's a douche. Douche, douche. Douche, douche,
The cat.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Yep.
There it goes. There he is again. Okay, he's gone.
Old. That's lady like COHOL. Give me that alcohol.
I was like, it's gonna do it again. I'm gonna kill somebody.
Hello, Garfield.
Hello, Poppet. Hello, Poppet.
Hi.
You're supposed to say, hello, Governor.
Hello, Governor.
Ha, that's right. I'm the governor. You aren't. Because you're a whore. I have no rights. I am not allowed to show my face in public. So I wear this head dress.
A job.
Yes, thank you. I currently forgot what it was called.
And in Jazz's words, murder purples.
Purple wieners.
Murder purples.